To remove and install the battery on your General 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Remove the driver's seat by pulling up on the seat lever and pivoting forward. Remove the battery access panel. Loosen the black negative battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then, loosen the red positive battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Remove the battery hold-down fastener. Slide the battery and hold down toward the driver's side and remove the battery hold-down. Lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery, hinder vehicle performance, and result in a shorter life. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery into the battery holder. Install the battery hold down and torque the fastener to specification. Install the red positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Ensure the positive cable boot is properly installed. Install the black negative cable last and torque to specification. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the battery access panel. Reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down on the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.